Hello friends, welcome to our new part including no, I'm not gonna tell you the part because this is the final part after the part of 9 as you can see, that is part 10. Okay, including past perfect tense and congratulations all of you. Okay, and also that is you all of you are my wisher. Okay, and also you guys supported me a lot, and also you stayed with me. That's why you have reached your goal. Okay, you should be proud of yourself. Okay, you have already reached of the goal, and now you are in the advanced level. Okay, in the terms of the academics studies, if you talk about this is a series of tenses which elevate your tenses as well. Okay, and I hope that is you have followed my rule and you improved a lot, and today you are watching your improvement, and I know how happy you are and you can find your happiness. Okay, so just keep growth your happiness like this. And at the final part and the last part of this tense, today we are gonna to overview a little bit of it. So no more talking, let's get started. Let's dive in to watch our ending part of this tense. So here, as you can see, I have used the regular verb with they, and I have used the irregular verb. Okay, same like of here. Okay, here I have only used the regular verb. Okay, regular, that is called or paid. But instead of this, you can use both of them, regular and irregular. But I have just taken one to make you all of you clear. Okay, to by this you may understand the concept. So here they had called, they hadn't called, had they called, hadn't they called. Same like of here. Now try to say these with this question, with the question term. Only of this you have to put the WH word and keep the structure same. For example, where had they called? Where hadn't they called? Like where, you can say any kinds of WH words. Same like of these, he had paid, he hadn't paid, had he paid, hadn't he paid. And same pattern, same structure with the WH question, how long had he paid, how long hadn't he paid. Okay, but first of all, you have to understand the rest of the full sentence. It depends on the sentence, that is which WH word you can use it, where you can arrange it very easily. Okay, by understanding the question. Then you can take the accurate word, then you can put this. Okay, so I hope that is you have already clear. For example, that is if I give you only an example, here we have object, but if you use with what, then it will be wrong. Here it has time during the question. If you take why, then it will be wrong. Okay, it may be invisible. On the time you can use it. It depends on the question. When you study, when you make the full sentences, you can. Okay, and in the last part, I hope that you have already get this because I have already talked about this step by step. Okay, and you, if you feel that is you have some weakness, okay, those of you who knew past perfect tense but still here, no problem. Okay, but those who are weak at this tense, no problem. Or the another tenses, they can go to the playlist and review the previous tenses again. Okay, by this you can you can improve a little bit. Okay, you can evaluate your brain. Okay, and for this time, keep learning, And if I talk about the present perfect tense concept, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Okay, what do you do? What do you do? What did you do yesterday? Okay, what did you do yesterday? For example, your daily life, during the conversation, during speaking, or if you want to talk about any kinds of topic, try to use these tense. Okay, if you read the textbook or grammar or any kinds of words, you can read the vocabulary of the verb and use this tense. Try to make the sentences grow. Okay, by this you can grow your English speaking and writing, and write some summary by using this tense. I think that is it may help your English skills. Okay, and for now on, see you in the next video, everyone, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Bye now.